What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, the price action definitely shot up to right where I said it would. We're sitting at around $11,689, basically touching $11,700. Guys, we definitely had that price spike up. Let me know if you caught that yesterday in the comments. And guys, I wanted to go a little bit over Plan B today. I feel like we're right on track for a $100,000 peak out at around the year 2021 or early 2022. And that's what I believe is going to happen for the Bitcoin price action, guys. And if that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe and like. I'm going to dive right into the price action today, guys. So, guys, as you can see, we have shot out of this ascending triangle here to the upside, as I predicted yesterday. I said we would do this yesterday, and there it happened, guys. And basically, $40 off from where I said it would hit, guys. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. If you caught that price action, be sure to subscribe and like. Put a comment down saying, hey, I saw that call. Okay, guys, but what's going to happen for the Bitcoin price for the future? All right, I think once we broke 11,600 and remaining stable above it, I think that's a really good sign, and we could end up at 11,800 before that. We could end up at 12,000 just in a few days. It's incredible just how much the Bitcoin price is really moving, and without a pullback in sight. If you can see, we've just been consistently putting in higher lows and you know, really moving the charts upward here. So what is holding Bitcoin down? It doesn't seem like much right now. It seems like we're on schedule for Plan B. We're definitely going to hit some higher times. I know Mike Novogratz predicted that we would hit up to 20,000 by the end of this year alone. And guys, I thought that that was looking pretty skeptical for a while. I remember someone asked me what my Bitcoin prediction was. My first prediction was 13,000. Then after there was no volatility in the market for, you know, almost 2 months, I was thinking that we would be predicting around a 9,800 to anywhere 10,800. But with this price rise and volatility back in the market, we could expect at least a 13 to 15,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year, guys. So I have to retract my statement from a few weeks ago, and that would be my new up-to-date prediction, guys. So let's see if that happens by the end of the year. I think I'm going back to my original projection of 13 to 15,000, okay, guys? With this volatility back in the market, it definitely looks like we could hit those levels. It could just be right around the corner here. And guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about Zcash. Had that price spike up into the 80s as I was talking about. Okay, guys, we just broke that resistance that has been in play since, it's almost a resistance trend line basically. And if you zoom out here, all the way since back to March, we've been on this trend line, just bouncing in and out of it. And essentially, the first time we're breaking out of it since April. Okay, guys, so this is definitely a very bullish sign for Zcash, and definitely some good stuff going on here. Where is it going to stop though, guys? We could end up in the hundreds. Okay, guys, if nothing stops this Z price rise, we're definitely going to see some higher coin price right around the corner. That being said, we could get a bit of a pullback down to the $80 mark before we shoot up even higher, although I do think that Zcash is definitely looking in a very dominant way right now, and it has been on a bull run since March. So there's not really much stopping it, and with this current rise in price, breaking resistances, turning them into supports, I think that we are in a great place for Zcash, and $90 is just right around the corner. We almost touched it already, so I think $90 is just right around the corner. Maybe a little bit of a pullback first, but then after that, $9 is going to get hit. That's a great sign for Zcash, guys. Let me know if you're holding Zcash and what you think about that project. I'm currently still mining Zcash, so I'm consistently racking in Zcash all the time. I think it's just one of the most profitable coins to mine right now with the Equihash algorithm, and just going very well. And guys, I wanted to go over Ethereum. Ethereum's still having its massive pump up, okay? We broke out of this channel to the right, okay? And then shot up again, continuing the same pattern, okay, guys? So if we put in a pattern even from here, okay, we're back on that same kind of pattern, okay, guys, as you can see. So Ethereum definitely having a big rise as well. I remember I got in at 266 and 222. So guys, I am sitting very pretty right here on Ethereum, and I'm very happy. So definitely moving the chains in the right direction, as per se. But don't forget, guys, with Bitcoin, as we're shooting up, we're touching the $11,700 level right now, guys, by the way. But don't forget about this futures gap down at 9,600. When will that get filled? if we were to just do a little bit of a projection here and just do some drawing, say like we didn't go bullish right here and didn't just keep moving up, okay? And we did something like this, okay? Filling that Wyckoff pattern. We could get there somewhere in between August and September, late August and September. That's where we could get there, guys. So keep that in mind moving forward, that we still could get a big drop off, and it's still a very realistic thing. But there's a lot of talk and a lot of chatter about, you know, Bitcoin prices being higher up. So I think that in order for that drop to happen, we're gonna have to hit some peaks for this year at least. Not peaks in general, like not 20,000 for instance, but peaks for this year, which we're already hitting already. So I think there's a little bit more steam, and if say we pass like 14,000, surpassing last year, that's a very bullish sign. It means we might actually get higher numbers towards the end of the year. So guys, there's a lot going on in the Bitcoin price action. Definitely a lot to keep your eyes on. Okay? And guys, I want to talk a little bit about Electroneum. Okay, we definitely had that bounce, then a rise up, touching resistances. Okay, we got another rejection, shot back down, touching support again, bounced off support, and now we're heading back up. So guys, I can definitely say that this support line is definitely holding true, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches right here. Okay, guys. So what is keeping Electroneum down here? Okay, guys, I think it's just after they had that news get released, and you know, the new advisor brought in. There's just many different things going on in the price action in correlation with what's going on with the project. So when the project is in its early stages and it's bringing people on, it's expanding and stuff like that, you can almost picture it as an accumulation phase. Okay, guys, so when I originally thought we left the reaccumulation phase and started a bull phase, we're having too much drop for something like that to happen. So it still feels like we're in reaccumulation. For instance, price dropping off and accumulating more coin at these lower times. So guys, when are we going to get an actual bull run for Electroneum again, like we just had? Well, if you think about it, let's zoom out here, and if you see from 0.0018, okay, all the way up to a cent, that could technically have been the bull run, okay? Even though the halving happened here, we had a major price spike up first, then a big sell-off, pump up, sell-off, pump up, sell-off. But how big can the next pump up be? If we got into 0.006 territory, that would be really good. We want to be back up in that green box for bullish behavior. But again, guys, we're still being supported right here. So if we can just get back up on this trend line, that would be a very good sign. Okay, guys, this blue trend line right here. So guys, I think Electroneum has some room to go to the upside here after being supported by the support. And I think that we could see a little bit more bullish behavior coming over the next week or so, which would be really a good sign. We don't want to see it break below this support line for sure. And guys, just checking out Plan B. I don't see an extra red dot here. I think this model is a little old. This was on July 25th here. But I think we have another red dot in, and it's right around the $11,600 level. So it looks like we're right on track for $100,000 Bitcoin by, say, the end of 2021, early 2022, and that would just be great, guys. That would be awesome. So as we finish the next year, we need something moving up just like this, right like that. Okay, guys, and I think we're on track for something like $100,000 by 2021, 2022. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely consider it. I am giving away a Ledger Nano S for one of my first 500 subscribers. One of you will be the lucky winner there, and I'll do that drawing for you guys all live to see. And guys, if you're looking to just get better on your trades, I give price predictions every single day on where I believe the coin is going. And I have a 98% win rate, which means that I'm making good trades. The calls that I'm making are accurate and going well for me. They should be going well for you guys as well. Okay, this is what I do for a living, so I'm just sharing this with you guys, and I hope that you guys are benefiting and profiting from it. That's what my goal is, for you guys to be making money and enjoying life out here, guys. I'm doing this, you know, just for fun at this point. I'm not monetized yet. The only fun I get is from subscribes, good feeling, likes, you know, the very normal things that we're all looking for in a YouTube channel. But in reality, guys, I'm very happy with the channel. It's going really well so far. I feel like I'm getting a lot of subscribers, a lot of support. My community is great. I can't complain, guys. I can't complain at all. I'm very grateful for what I have so far, and I can't wait for the later game stages in my YouTube channel when I say I have at least 1,000 subscribers or something, and I could even think about being monetized. but that's a ways away. But I will continue putting out the content for you guys to see. That's all I have time for today. I will be back Monday. I take off every Sunday. But guys, I have some exciting news. I just met my sister from my birth family. Basically, I have a very interesting family life. I'm adopted, and I've recently met my birth family, which I've been looking for many years, and just met my half sister basically. So yesterday, that's very exciting. So hopefully, I'll get to meet her this month, and just many cool things. Very exciting times for sure, guys. But that's all I have time for today. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.